Almost 200,000 people have crossed the border from Ukraine to Poland, while thousands more are still trying to leave Ukraine. Among them, Jamaican students. This as Russia continues its invasion on Ukraine. Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith provided an update today. Here's TVJ's Janella Precious.
The Chancellery of the Prime Minister of Poland took to Twitter Sunday, where he revealed that 187,000 people have crossed the border from Ukraine to Poland since the beginning of the Russian invasion. The tweet noted, quote, "Refugees are fleeing war-stricken Ukraine and entering Poland regardless of their nationality." The head of the Polish Prime Minister's office said he's met with the governor of Lviv region, who declared that Ukrainian authorities would take steps to simplify the procedures on the side of the Ukrainian border guard to reduce holdups. Now, the CNN is reporting that people have been arriving after traveling for days in the cold, leaving their entire lives behind in Ukraine, not knowing if they will ever return. Back home, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is reporting that Jamaican students who've been attempting to leave Ukraine have finally reached a border point.
Regrettably, we understand that two of the students are not feeling well, one in particular because of the cold. She's currently getting care in an ambulance now at that border crossing point. Miss Seeley and our Polish contact on the other side are on their way to the border point, and they do have a heated bus that is ready to accommodate the 24 students when they will have crossed through. And as I've indicated before, we've made arrangements for accommodations and food on that side, and of course we know that arrangements are being made in respect of flights back home as soon as they are available.
The minister also pointed to the crowds at the borders.
We have had confirmation from the Polish Ministry of Foreign Affairs that they have received the names of our students. We have sent them formally, so they should not have any difficulty in entering Poland. The difficulty now is the sheer size of the crowds and therefore the time it takes to get through. So I'm asking you, Jamaica, and all our Jamaican friends, pray for them, pray for their strength, their good health, and their resilience for their passage through onto the other side.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.